Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ali's Learner Academy. Today we discuss about atoms, molecules and compounds. So let's move to the video and learn about it. Atoms are the tiniest part of universe. It's a Greek word which means indivisible. Atoms are the basic unit of matter and the defining structure of elements. Atoms are made up of three particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Let's take an example of a glass. If we take a glass and break this glass into pieces, and the very tiniest piece we obtain is called an atom. The very tiniest piece that we cannot break further is the atom, and this atom are the very basic part of universe. In the structure of atom, there is a nucleus in the center. Around the nucleus, the orbits present in the electron orbiting outside the nucleus in the electron shells, sometimes called orbits as well. The central nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. It contains almost all the mass of the atom. Atoms are also divided into two parts, nuclear part or extranuclear part. Nuclear part consists of nucleus, while extranuclear part consists of orbits and electrons. Exactly like this, nucleus is also divided into two parts, protons and neutrons, where protons are positively charged particles, while neutrons are neutral in nature, no charge. If we look at the structure of atom and let's take an example of a solar system. In our solar system, there is a sun in the center and planets are revolving around the sun in their particular orbits, exactly like this in our atom. In the atom, there is a nucleus in the center, and around the nucleus, electrons are moving around the nucleus in their particular shells, and these shells are also called orbits, and orbits are the imaginary path in which electron moves. These orbits are designated as, the first shell of atom is designated as K, the second shell is designated as L, and the third shell is designated as M, and so on. And they have subshells also like S, P, D, F. The overall charge on the nucleus is positive, plus, because nucleus contain protons and neutrons, where protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge. So the overall charge on the nucleus is plus due to the protons present on the nucleus. Present in the nucleus. And the electrons orbiting around the nucleus is equal to the number of protons present inside the nucleus. Number of protons present inside the nucleus is referred to as the atomic number of that element. If carbon atom has an atomic number 6, it means in the nucleus of carbon atom, number of protons are 6. So basically, atoms were created after the Big Bang 13.7 billion years ago. As the hot universe cooled, conditions became suitable for quarks and electrons to form. Quarks came together to form protons and neutrons, and these particles combined into nuclei. This all took place within the first few minutes of universe existence. Three different types of quark combined to form a proton. Three other different types of quarks combined to form a neutron. Protons and neutrons combined into a nuclei, and when electron is captured by the nuclei, so an atom is finally formed. It took 380,000 years for the universe to cool enough to slow down the electrons so that the nuclei could capture them to form the first atom. In this picture, you can clearly see that protons is made up of three different type of quarks, like U, and D quarks combined together by the connectors. These connectors are known as gluons. These three quarks combined, so a proton is formed. When three other different type of quarks like U, D quarks combine, so a neutron is formed. And here we have a question that what makes each element different? So the answer is atomic number. As we all know that atomic number is defined as a number of protons present in the nucleus of any atom. And the number of protons in an atom is unique to each element. This is the periodic table. In the periodic table, every element has different atomic number. The number of protons also determines the chemical behavior of the element, and elements are arranged in the periodic table of the elements in order to increasing atomic number. Let's take an example of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Carbon has atomic number 6. It means carbon, in the nucleus of carbon, there are 6 number of protons. So the atomic number of carbon is 6. So if nitrogen has atomic number 7, it means in the nucleus of nitrogen, there are 7 number of protons. And if oxygen has atomic number 8, it means in the nucleus of oxygen, there are 8 number of protons. We know that number of protons and number of electrons are equal in any atom. If any element has atomic number 6, it means in its nucleus there are 6 number of protons. So this particular atom that contains 6 number of protons in its nucleus, this atom is called carbon. It means atomic number makes each element different from other. Atoms versus molecules. Let's talk about what is the difference between atoms, molecules, and compound. We have learned about atom in this video and molecules. Molecules are formed by the combination of same type of atoms. When same type of atoms combine, so a molecule is formed. Like two same hydrogen atom combine, so a molecule is formed. If two same oxygen atoms combine, so a molecule of oxygen is formed. Now come to the compound. In a compound of water, let's take an example of water. Water is a compound. Why? Because in this structure of water, we have one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom. And when different type of atoms combine, so a compound is formed. And the structure of water, one oxygen atom is combined with two hydrogen atoms. So water is a compound. This is the difference between atom, molecules, and compound. That's all about today's lecture. Thanks for watching my videos. For more interesting videos, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.